The New England Colonies.
By David
and William. The Colonies.
The New England colonies included New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, and Connecticut.
Social life. In the New England colonies, they had many towns and churches as the center of life. Religious reformers, separatists lived in a lot of the New England colonies. Their civil life included many town meetings. In the New England colonies, specialization was shipbuilding, fishing, naval supplies, and to go over it again for you to hear it: shipbuilding, fishing, and naval supplies.
New England's climate included cold, harsh winters, rocky soil, not fertile. Hills and mountains are in the area. The New England colonies depended on the South for raw materials such as cotton, and they depended on the Mid-Atlantic for grain and livestock. New England's geography included plentiful forests, good fisheries, amazing harbors, and hilly and mountainous land.
New England colonies, the people.
This colony was made up of Puritans and Separatists.